This is a story about guerrilla community service. You see, in my neighborhood, swings are a big deal.
There's another public tree swing. It's a dinky little swing. The kid likes it. The kid likes it.
We need to talk to you.
Seems like every block has at least a couple of swings, all different types. It's amazing.
2012, wow.
But among all these awesome swings, there's this one swing that stands apart. One swing has achieved almost legendary status.
This is a picture of the swing as it was in 2017, in June of 2017.
2017.
That swing captured my imagination the very first time I passed by it. Like, it's just like a magical spot.
When we first got here, it was just a simple swing.
We've been coming up here since she was 2. She's now 5.5. So we've seen, I guess, 3 or 4 versions of the swing.
My memory is like 3 or 4 years ago, someone cut it down. Maybe like a year or so later, someone else put out this one with like the most beautiful, ornate mosaic seat. It was a treasure, and it was such a triumph that like we had the swing back. This is like the most beautiful place to come and swing in the neighborhood.
Okay, we're going for a swing session.
We're going to the dual swing.
This is where the jeweled swing is. Oh no,
It got
the
even
jeweled
worse.
swing is dead. That's the jeweled swing. That was the jeweled swing. It's one of the first things we discovered when we moved into this neighborhood. And this big, beautiful eucalyptus tree.
And put it in the trash with all the stinky flies.
Yeah,
That's really rude. I wish they didn't ruin the jeweled swing.
now it's just a rope.
Yeah.
Not as much fun, is it?
Well,
Kennedy was sad, but I was mad. Who did this? Some little pocket knife wielding jerk. Maybe it's one of these jerks right here. Was it you, K and C? Maybe one of these N's? Was it you? How about you? It was like the tree was transforming into this database of careless jerks. I was seeing little hearts carved by heartless people, but that is not what Kennedy saw.
inside that heart is somebody's initials.
Yeah,
And even inside that heart, too.
what do you think about all that?
I think it's a very loved tree.
A very loved tree.
She was right. This was a loved tree. In that moment, our mission was clear. We will put up a new swing. And if they cut it down, we'll put up another and another. We will never let the baddies win. First step, designing our new swing. Kennedy dove into the task with the precision of a Swiss architect and the focus of a chess grandmaster.
So we've got a tree.
I'm okay.
While we were getting supplies at the hardware store, several folks, including these two, came over to tell me, in no uncertain terms, that carrying plywood and a kid on a bike is irresponsible and dangerous. But they weren't all drive-by slanderings.
Oh, I love the word truck. John Caesar, one-way router.
Instead of giving us a hard time, John gave us a hand.
There we go. Now that's gonna stay put.
You're a great helper.
John, thank you.
Yes, you too, brother.
All right.
It takes a village.
It does. Should we roll?
Yeah.
Let's go make a tree swing. Okay, you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Here we go. When it's running, you know what? Hold on. Quick construction break right now because I realized that you have to keep little girl's hair free from the power tools. Today is the day of the swing install. I'm rallying the girls to help me. Remains to be seen if I can pull this off without triggering the safety shutdown mechanism that is built in many of our spouses, mine included. But yeah, if all goes well, we're gonna be swinging.
All did not go well. My ladder came up short. No swing today.
Safety fuse blew. As much as I just want to like go for it right now and be like, oh, it's fine, I'll just climb up there. We'll put the ladder on top of the truck. We'll do some hillbilly ass shit that would maybe work. It's supposed to be fun and a little dangerous, but not like super dangerous before you start. Okay, today is the day. I have a much larger ladder, brand new climbing harness. I have a plan, and most importantly, I have a deadline. So in a perfect world, pick her up, take her for a swing on the swing, and do that all in time for swimming lessons. We'll see. I got my ladder and I strapped it up there. A fella, my new friend Tracy, was walking by, and he stopped and said, hey, can I hold the ladder for you? And wound up hanging out for an hour and a half.
Despite some truly top-rung ladder holding, we were defeated again. Here's why. I had devised this insane design in hopes of protecting the tree from harm, but instead all I really did was protect the tree from a tree swing. Install attempt number 3.
We moved on from like something super complicated to semi-super complicated, so.
This is like shameful how many people have come here and kicked the tires on this thing, and everybody comes back to like, why don't you do it the simpler way? Maybe simple. We're thinking, put the rope around the tree, swing.
There you go.
That is a thing of beauty right there.
Maiden voyage. We are making the maiden voyage on this incredible new swing you guys put up. That is a huge community service. For her, this is the main attraction. Look at that smile.
It's amazing.
Look at the joy you're bringing to the youth. It's incredible.
It's good?
You like it?
Right.
It's like the Cadillac of swings. Never a truer swing was hung from a tree. Oh, this is gonna make so many people happy.
It was so fun.
Yeah. What made it fun? Kenny, where are we right now?
At the jeweled swing,
Yeah.
it had been cut down again.
Again.
Those bad guys, what do you think they're thinking of?
I don't know. I really don't know. What do you think we should do?
I think we should build another one, even better.
I like your style, kiddo. Let's do it. Let's build another one.
Even better.
Even better.
The swing is gone again, but the project is a success. Turns out, our little Guerrilla community service project isn't really about the swing after all. It's about a simple act of love that we will always put the swing right back up. Come on, kid, let's go home. We got a tree swing to build.
We're out here at the Rouse on a beautiful Saturday, hanging out at the car wash. And guess what? It's Kennedy and John. Hey, you guys, what is that all about? What happened? We're at the car wash. What?